Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be resetting a frozen GoPro Hero 7. White, obviously the black works as well. So what I did is went ahead and bought a GoPro Hero 7 and it got frozen at a certain point. I tried to connect it to my phone, something happened, and the screen froze and it wasn't really reacting to any buttons that were being pressed. So when something like that happens, what you need to do is to do a hard reset. Very similar to phones, what you want to do is press the top button and the power button simultaneously and hold it for about 10 seconds and it will go into the reboot phase. Once that happens, your GoPro Hero 7 should start up and reset like this. And once it does that, you'll know that it has reset, meaning the screen is no longer frozen. A quick, simple, easy fix. Figured this out, and I thought a lot of people out there might want to know as well. So if you find this video informative, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, consider subscribing, and I'll hit you with different ideas from different areas. So, hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.